Ready to unlock the secrets to making attention-grabbing YouTube shorts that actually get views? Let's jump straight into Invideo and I'll show you how to create a killer short from scratch in just a few easy steps. First, head to Invideo's website and sign up or log in. Once you're in, click on the YouTube Shorts template option to begin your project. Now, browse through Invideo's wide range of pre-designed templates. Pick one that aligns with your video's theme or choose a blank canvas for complete creative control. For this example, we'll select a trendy template focused on quick tips. Great! The template is now loaded. Time to customize it. You'll immediately notice the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Let's start by replacing the placeholder video with your own footage. Simply upload your video clip and drag it directly onto the timeline. Invideo makes trimming and adjusting the clip duration super easy. Now, let's add some eye-catching text overlays. Click on the text button to bring up the text options. Choose a font style, size, and color scheme that work for your content. Type your message, keep it concise and engaging, then position the text strategically so it's easily readable. Experiment with different animations for that extra flair. Music is key for keeping viewers hooked. Head over to the Music tab and explore Invideo's massive royalty-free library. Find a track that complements your video's mood and vibe. Simply click to add it to your timeline. Adjust the volume and sync the music to key moments in your video for maximum impact. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, hit the download and share button. Select your desired resolution like 108p and export your YouTube short. Upload it to YouTube. Add a catchy title, a compelling description, and relevant hashtags like hashtag YouTube Shorts, hashtag Invideo, and watch the views roll in. Go on. What are you waiting for? Get creating.